guys ready?
Yes.
Hold on to the handlebars, hold it going down, keep your legs crossed, please do not rock or shake your football on the ride. If your ride stops at any point, right here, I stand here, we'll come to get you guys, okay?
Okay. Hold on tight. Ready, guys? Officially at Quassy. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of exactly what it is that we're about to do.
We're here at the water park.
You gonna go in?
Yeah, let's go.
Come on, Amaya.
Oh.
Go through there first.
She's mad. She's mad I ate half of her Funyun.
You gotta grab one of these first.
Right at 42. You and Maya are gonna go down. Right down.
They have to go all the way up there, and then it's gonna bring them all the way around, and then all the way and then back. I don't know if you guys can see them from here, but they're all the way up there. They're the very next ones. So I think we're gonna see them come through that yellow bridge and then through this one. But they gotta go all the way around. That's a huge slide. They're coming. I think you're gonna see them over there. Look at them, look at them, look at them. You had fun?
That was fun. So much fun.
Are you literally riding an elephant?
I'm about to ride an elephant too.
I think we have to walk through the waterfall. We're gonna go to the lake now. You like that one? What a nice view, guys. There's people over there, down there on boats. Wow, you did such a good job. That was such a long time. I didn't know you could swim that good. That was pretty good, huh? Yeah, let's go this way. We gotta go through the tunnel. Uh-oh. We're about to get soaked, guys. Are you gonna be able to make it up? We literally just got soaked by that huge bucket, guys. I know. You gotta keep going. I think Amaya literally went all the way up the stairs and she's in line to come down this huge slide. Amaya, you gotta go up, you gotta go down the bridge. Guys, we're literally at risk, we're gonna get soaked. What? We'll come back. That was a good job. Come on, let's go get some food. We're actually waiting in line to go on this ride.
We have to let you first, okay? Alright, get on. Get on, together. One more time. One more time. No tippy toes. You're in the front, you're in the back. Keep up.
Come on, Amaya.
Rocker Circle Football on the ride. If your ride stops at any point, right here, stop me, we'll come and get you guys, okay?
Okay. Hold on tight. Ready, guys? Where the heck were you two?
On a big water slide.
Excuse me?
Excuse me!
Excuse me.
You having fun so far? Which rides did you guys go on?
We went on the train.
The toilet bowl? I gotta go on that. I just went on this one with Amaya. I was super scared.
Can you go with me? Can you go with me? Please?
It's a nice cake.
It melted.
The birthday girl. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maya. Happy birthday to you. You gotta make a wish. Close your eyes and make a wish. Yay. Good job.
Would you like cake?
I want this.
Oh, I got her good. I got her good. I got her good. Say cheese. Cheese. Say cheese. It's a video.
Let's have fun.
That's great. Okay, so who wants cake?
Look at her crown. Anaya is literally trying to sneak on a ride.
I'm going with my mom.
Say cheese. Wow, so beautiful. You're not scared?
Hey, Bob, can I go swimming?
Yeah, you want to?
Yes, I do want to go water. Please, Bobby, can we go to the beach?
Yes.
Yay! Dad, can I make a video?
We are making a video.
Ahí mismo quedo.
What?
La chorrera.
What?
Que se meta la chorrera la vieja, tú no entiendes.
What? What? Guys, that entire bucket is literally gonna fall down. It's literally gonna fall down, guys. It's coming. Did you just go on there?
Yes, we just went down here.
Where are you going?
Getting close.
Where's Gordy?
Right there. Coming.
He's coming up next? How'd that feel?
Oh, do a 360 on them. Oh, they have it.
Go on it. We still gotta go on that one over there. The yellow and red one. There's like 10 different like monster slides here. We only went on one of them. Well, I went on one.